Alright, a few days later, temps are finally in the low 40s, but the roads are dry, so hopefully the mountain up there is dry. So push this a little bit harder and just see what we can do. Obviously still can't go full blown because it's cold out and cold tires, but still should get a good baseline as to how this thing will handle pushing into the turns a little bit faster. Back from the little rip, as you can see, it wasn't a full send because it is very cold and the tires are still cold despite my efforts to try and warm them up. But it was clean and I got to actually see how it handles through high speed transitions and braking to going into turns. It's phenomenal. I honestly don't think I'm going to change the settings that much. Maybe one click or two here in the summertime when it gets warmer and I can play with it more. But overall, I'm extremely happy. It's well worth the money. I just looked at this website. I think he has them listed for $1,200 right now for the kit. They don't come right away because the springs are set to your weight, so they do come from Big Bear. So they have to build them before they ship them out. But for the money, I don't think you can beat the option for this. If you're not that aggressive a rider, his normal spacer, the 2-inch spacer kits, is just fine. As you can see from my Teledragon pictures or the videos that I had down there, it handled just fine. However, if I would have had this kit in, it would have been even better, and I probably would have scraped those crash bars a good bit more because I would have had a little bit more confidence braking and coming into the turns. But overall, I'm very happy with it. I know he has a bunch of kits made up and ready to ship over at Big Bear, but get on Kyle's website at foreverride.com and treat yourself for Christmas.